Uh, the topic is video and how to build focus in our different objects. You know, uh, through our memories, we begins to focus in our objects because our mind accepted that is why your this is an object and quickly to respond and begun to starting on focus which objects. As human being we have a lots of thoughts and thousands of thoughts because we have need attentions to uh, quickly to respond it because you know that when we operate computer and operate any system smartphone, you know that it's automatically your focus on your object. I use the mobile, it's a focus on my screen, and I'm talking to any person and focus to my which is those conversations point of view and those understanding view or point which is the uh, quickly because naturally dynamically pressures on brain when teachers learns to students it begins to have to pressures to focus. That is the one point. And second point is to focus if you playing any games or like difference, you have quickly response to if I'm actually in present of the moments because the brain does not know future present past. It begins to always focus on doubts and wonders because human being we did not right understandings of keys which is uh, which is the right direction of focus and which is not. And our consciously we are focused to when we in the dreams and when we in the your uh, according your personal thought and view because we did not uh, if we say to our thoughts you did not go others because he's starting the view of only start and did not know because you know that it's it's go through on to it's naturally dynamic which is anger and you have to more talk because you have uh, you have suddenly to your actually your body and actually your memorize because you have did not know if you instructions and your brain your thoughts go through to this work and memory which is proper only work on your which is picture only work your according your body memory according your according your voice memory. And because memory which is work on your uh, talk about which is for you in which is you actually to valuable. And sometimes we have actually which is which is wonderful wonder of your thoughts incoming your box because those in box you know that this is a memory of mobile, you know messages memory. It's a fitted of more different types of links in your box. This is different types of like the mail of your box like your thoughts mail incomings your you see it and again attentions to make a pictures on yourself and sell this is a perform of work your according to your picture. So that is why the important of you maybe I think we did not even the control because dream have not control and it begins and which you adopt of pick because even you say collection of pictures and you're recording your scene and we did not know realities begun and imaginations begun. It's make the over illusions and actually we did not live in the presence. That's why the a lots of illusion is created over mind. So there is a, when you have go to driving, you have too much thoughts, and one is here and through is here, second is here, and there is a different types of thoughts, and according your uh, response of your body, and different types of actually the running of the movements. And because actually the you are the in the presence is actually your presence. When you go through in the journey of the you go to outside and you go to riding, it's a journey of the moments. And you know that it's possible to recognize to according uh, to presence, you feel in the moments of actually the moments.